Hi guys, my name is Tu and I'm currently intern at Rotec Vietnam Company Limited. And today, it is my pleasure to be here and introduce to you guys about a kind of machine at Rotec Vietnam. If your business is in need of processing large size steel pies or clean steel pie evenly and high working efficiency, and especially you don't want that to affect the surrounding working environment, please don't skip this video. So the kind of machine that I mentioned is the roller conveyor short plastic machine. You can see the picture in the slide here. And my speaking will have four main parts. The first part is introduction about roller conveyor short plastic machine, and the second part working principle of roller conveyor short plastic machine. And next, I will talk about the outstanding features of roller conveyor short plastic machine. And the last part, I will share with you some reason why businesses should use roller conveyor short plastic machine. Okay, so let's get started. Part 1, introduction about roller conveyor short plastic machine. As you know, a roller conveyor short plastic machine is a device used to clean and bleach metal surfaces such as sheet steel, section steel, steel pie, or the most modern fabricated steel structures. The machine is widely used in the steel fabrication industry, the oil and gas industry, or in the shipyards. Roller conveyor short plastic machine designed by Rotec includes some main assemblies here. The first one is plastic head unit, a roller conveyor short plastic machine. This is the most important cluster of the short plastic system, which determines the productivity and quality of the cleaning surface. And the effective operation of the ball shooting cluster needs to meet the detailed technical and technological requirements like the entire short fan, short divider, short pie, and fluorine cluster parts are made of high chromium wear resistant alloy with sufficient thickness to ensure long-term stable operation. And it using the mounting structure according to the positioning groups ensure quick disassembly and it easy replacement, maintenance, and repair. And the short part allows easy and simple adjustment of the direction of the short head. The head unit motor must have a thermal relay system for overload protection. And the second part here is conveyor assembly for workpiece in or out. And the entire conveyor here is roller conveyor. It is driven by interlocking train system. And the third part is loading screw assemblies. Conveyor plates made of wear-resistant materials and the screw shell system ensures complete sealing to prevent dust from entering the environment. The fourth part here, loading bucket cluster. Latter is made of wear-resistant material and it is durable. The bucket cover ensures airtightness to prevent dust from entering the environment. And the fifth part here is cluster of plastic chambers. The plastic chamber structure consists of two layers. The outer structure steel layer and the inner wear-resistant alloy parts. And the sixth part here is cluster of dust separation. This part has duty of ensure the separation of dust and debris from the clean bowl. And the seventh part, dust filter unit. The flow or pressure of the exhaust fan must be large enough to ensure that all dust is removed from the shooting area. And the last one, control cabinet cluster. The control electrical system must meet CE standard, and there must be a metering system to display the current for each head motor to control the ball flow. And the control system must have two modes. The first one is manual and the second automatic. Our emergency stop patterns are arranged on the electrical cabinet in front and behind the machine system. And next, we move on the second part, working principle of roller conveyor short plastic machine. So, the machine works on the principle of centrifugation. The products to be cleaned are fed into the spray chamber through a roller conveyor system, and the ball heads are centrifugal short heads. In the centrifugal shooting head, there are ball propeller, ball guide cap, and ball fed cap. The balls will um, the ball will be shot out by the head at a very high speed, about 80 millimeters per second, giving the balls a very large kinetic energy. And this kinetic energy will clean the surface of the product to be cleaned. The marbles, after hitting the clean product, will fall to the bottom. The short plastic recovery system recovers through the dust collection system from the balls, and the clean balls are fed back to the ball storage tank on the machine. This ball storage tank will continue to supply balls to the ball heads, and this process is continuously cyclic throughout the shooting process. During the short plasting process, dust will be generated, and this amount of dust will be recovered and filtering to retain the dust in the dust filter, avoiding dust generation into the environment. Yes, that's the working principle. And next, I will share with you guys about the outstanding features of roller conveyor short plastic machine. Actually, this kind of machine have many features. It many advantages. So I can list some advantages like self-contained, fully equipped short plastic machine and tested and proven Rotec Vietnam Plus wheels, an automatic abrasive circulation system, automatic PLC control, it's easy to operate, assemble, and replace. The machine works completely automatically, so it only needs one operator to take and load the cleaning products and fastest delivery just from 6 to 8 weeks after ordering. And the reason why enterprises should use Rotec Vietnam roller conveyor short plastic machine. Our Rotec is pioneer in inventing and manufacturing roller conveyor plastic machines to meet the needs of the businesses. And Rotec roller conveyor short plastic machine manufactured and designed according to the individual requirements of each business. At Rotec, your business can be completely assured of product quality because we have a 12-month warranty policy for the machine, and the Rotec engineers will support 24 out of 24 when any problems arise in the period of time you using our product. And if your business is interested in the roller conveyor shop blasting machine or any other products of Rotec, please contact us for advice and purchase at the best prices. All the contact information you can see in the slide here. So thanks so much. Have a nice day.